See how his skin quivers when you touch him? He doesn't let me do this. I guess it's a Happy New Year for me. You alright, Rabbit? Mama's boy. Hello, Bart. I see you coming. Rabbit's letting Mama pet him. Rabbit's a good boy. Your fur's so soft. He doesn't do this. He doesn't. Usually if I come wherever he's at, he goes and hides. Hence the name Rabbit. I like this, though. I could get used to this.